This is 5-cylinder engine. It's one of the hardest ones I've built, and I've just finished it now. So as you can see, propeller goes round, the rods go up and down, and if you can look inside the cylinders, you'll see the pistons go up and down. Yeah, a lot of work in them little engines, and there's 5 of them, and then going on to the main rotor with the electrics. But yeah, it's worth it. It's hard, you know. It's enjoyable. Yeah, and it come like this. Put it all together in pieces, as you've seen them before. I've got a few of them on, you know. There can be a lot of tricky little things to it. That was another one I did. All the parts, the pistons. Yeah, enjoyable for a few hours, or make it last as long as you want, 5 or 6 hours. There's some fidgeting little things on it, but yeah, it's okay. It's enjoyable. This will be my last one now, because they are expensive. So, you know, I'm only on a pension. But yeah, good. Very good. Okay, please like, I was going to say like, describe. Yeah, please like and subscribe if you want, please. Thank you.